Ever gazed upon a sprawling cityscape and dreamt of owning a piece of it? From towering skyscrapers to quaint townhouses, the road to riches might be paved not with gold, but with bricks and mortar. Enter the world of real estate, where fortunes are made with wise investments and strategic moves. 1. Power of passive income. Imagine a life where money flows in as you drift into dreams at night. The beauty of real estate investing lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a millionaire to dive in. There are numerous strategies, from leveraging to seeking out partners, that can help you begin your journey with minimal initial investments. As properties generate rental income, those funds can be reinvested to acquire even more assets, thus compounding your wealth. Over time, what starts as a trickle can turn into a river of passive income, reinforcing your financial security. Think of real estate as a dynamic chessboard. Every move you make can bring you closer to checkmating financial constraints. Moreover, this passive income avenue also offers tax benefits, cushioning your earnings further. The concept isn't merely about buying property. It's about strategizing, understanding market dynamics, and making calculated decisions. So even with modest beginnings, with persistence, research, and smart decisions, the world of real estate can unfold as an empire of prosperity for you. But what if your pockets aren't deep to start with? 2. House hacking techniques. Monetary constraints? They're just challenges waiting for solutions. House hacking isn't merely a strategy, it's a mindset that reshapes how you view real estate and its myriad opportunities. This technique is particularly advantageous for those taking their first steps in the property world, as it mitigates a substantial amount of financial risk. For many young investors, the biggest hurdle is managing monthly mortgages and bills. However, by adopting the house hacking method, the rent from other units effectively subsidizes these costs. Beyond the financial benefits, this approach offers a live learning experience. You're not just a distant landlord, you are right there, on the ground, understanding tenant dynamics, property maintenance, and gaining hands-on experience. This close proximity and personal involvement often translate to better property management, fostering positive landlord-tenant relationships, and gaining insights that can be invaluable for future, larger-scale investments. This real-time learning can be the key to unlocking more advanced investment strategies in the future. With an initial strategy in place, how can one truly harness the full potential of their investment? 3. Leverage and debt. In the grand chessboard of real estate, leverage is your queen. The power of leverage in real estate is undeniable. By using borrowed capital to finance property purchases, savvy investors can boost potential returns without a proportional increase in their investment. This means that with a relatively small down payment, you can control a much more valuable asset, and any appreciation in value accrues to your benefit. However, like any powerful tool, leverage needs to be used wisely to avoid potential pitfalls. But in the unpredictable sea of real estate, is there a beacon of consistency? 4. Real estate's resilience. Through market highs and lows, there's one investment that stands tall. The inherent stability of real estate doesn't automatically equate to instant success. It underscores the significance of research, understanding, and making judicious choices. Unlike more volatile assets, properties remain tangible, unaffected by fleeting market sentiments. The soil beneath our feet doesn't vanish. However, while the land remains constant, neighborhoods evolve, cities expand, and infrastructural developments can dramatically alter the prospects of a region. Recognizing and capitalizing on these trends, foreseeing potential growth areas, and understanding the socio-economic dynamics of a place can be the difference between a good investment and a great one. Simply put, while real estate inherently offers resilience, the promise of prosperity hinges on the investor's foresight, diligence, and commitment to continuous learning. However, can any property assure prosperity? 5. Location, location, location. The mantra that could make or break your real estate dreams. Every savvy real estate investor knows that while you can renovate a house, you can't change its location. This simple truth emphasizes the weightage of where over what in property investment. An ideal location acts as a safeguard against market downturns. Even in sluggish economic times, properties in sought-after areas tend to retain their value better than those in less desirable regions. Moreover, while buildings depreciate, the land they sit on usually appreciates, especially if it's in a booming or upcoming area. Consider factors like upcoming infrastructure projects, such as subways or highways, which can dramatically boost an area's value. Equally essential is the neighborhood vibe. Is it family-friendly? Is it burgeoning as a hip locale for young professionals? Understanding these nuances can help you pinpoint locations that not only promise high ROI, but also offer sustainability in terms of demand. Remember, in real estate, foresight combined with location intelligence can lead to lucrative rewards. Once you've secured an ideally located property, is there a way to further boost its value? 6. Renovate and raise rents. Unlock hidden potential, one renovation at a time. Investing in real estate is as much about enhancing the asset as it is about acquiring it. Renovations can breathe new life into a property, turning once overlooked spaces into sought-after real estate gems. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and sustainability. A newly remodeled bathroom or an expanded living space can drastically elevate a property's appeal, but so can additions like solar panels or smart home systems. Furthermore, such improvements can greatly reduce future maintenance costs, offering a dual benefit of increased income and decreased expenses. Potential tenants are often willing to pay a premium for properties that boast modern amenities and designs. They seek comfort, convenience, and style. By meeting these desires through targeted renovations, investors position themselves in an optimal spot in the competitive rental market. With a refurbished property in hand, how can you ensure the money keeps rolling in consistently? 7. Mastering property management. Owning property is one thing, managing it effectively, quite another. Every real estate tycoon knows that acquisition is just the tip of the iceberg. The real challenge lies in maintaining and managing these assets to consistently deliver returns. Think of property management as the caretaker of your golden goose, ensuring it continues to lay golden eggs. It involves juggling multiple tasks, from ensuring timely rent collections and addressing tenant concerns to periodic property inspections and orchestrating repairs. In essence, effective property management enhances tenant satisfaction and retention, minimizing costly vacancies. Moreover, by staying attuned to market trends, a savvy property manager can advise on rent adjustments, ensuring you're always getting the best possible yield from your investment. For many, this pivotal role might feel overwhelming, leading them to hire expert property management companies. These professionals, backed by their experience, can streamline operations, mitigate potential risks, and optimize profitability. Ultimately, whether you choose to don the manager's hat or delegate, mastering this aspect is non-negotiable for sustained real estate success. As you amass properties, how do you ensure diversified growth? 8. Diversifying your real estate portfolio. Real estate offers a world of opportunities, each unique in its promise. The realm of real estate is vast, pulsating with myriad investment avenues. While beginners often start with residential properties, the seasoned investor understands the importance of not being pigeonholed into a single type. Residential properties, with their emotional appeal, tend to have more stable markets, but commercial spaces often lure with potentially higher returns and robust contractual agreements. Meanwhile, investing across different geographical zones, be it urban hubs or emerging markets, can provide insulation against localized economic downturns. It's akin to crafting a well-balanced investment symphony, where each instrument plays its part, ensuring that the overall melody remains harmonious, even if one section falters. Diversification also extends beyond just property types. Consider different strategies like flipping, wholesaling, or REIT investments. The goal is to maximize opportunities while hedging against uncertainties. With a growing portfolio, how do you navigate the intricacies of the real estate world? 9. Networking with the experts in the vast ocean of real estate. Let the experts be your North Star. Every thriving industry thrives on connections, and real estate is no exception. Beyond just transactions, real estate is a realm of relationships, built brick by brick through trust, shared knowledge, and mutual growth. By attending industry seminars, real estate conferences, or local property investors meetings, one not only expands their professional network, but also taps into the collective wisdom of experienced players. Sharing personal experiences, discussing challenges, and brainstorming solutions with peers can save you from potential pitfalls and accelerate your growth trajectory. Also, having a mentor or an advisory board composed of experts can provide direction during uncertain times and help fine-tune strategies. Remember, in real estate, your net worth often reflects your network, so invest in fostering genuine relationships and watch as they pave pathways to uncharted territories of success. With a treasure trove of insights, how do you keep your momentum going? 10. Continuous learning. To conquer the ever-evolving world of real estate, one must remain an eternal student. Real estate, like most fields, undergoes transitions influenced by technology, socio-economic factors, and global events. What was relevant a decade ago might be obsolete today. For instance, the rise of smart homes or sustainable housing practices are reshaping buyer preferences. Additionally, the realm of real estate financing, taxation, and legalities also undergoes periodic changes. Keeping oneself updated through various learning platforms allows investors to be agile, foresee trends, and pivot their strategies accordingly. Moreover, continuous learning fosters a growth mindset. It nurtures curiosity, drives innovation, and instills confidence. By committing to lifelong learning, investors not only hone their craft, but also inspire others in their journey, cementing their legacy in the annals of real estate success stories. With a foundation of knowledge, what's the next big leap in your real estate odyssey? Real estate isn't just about bricks, mortar, or land. It's about vision, strategy, and perseverance. With every property acquired, you're not merely owning a physical asset. You're scripting a legacy, building wealth that can span generations. As the sun sets over a city's skyline, imagine a future where each building tells a tale of your vision and enterprise. The path to riches is laid out. Are you ready to tread it?